Hi, welcome to another lesson for strumming for the ukulele. Today's lesson is on the blues strum. Want to remind you about a couple of things. It'd be a good idea to review your gallop strum exercise tutorial. Once again, it'd be a good idea to review your gallop or shuffle strum tutorial lesson so that you can just refresh your memory on the techniques involved in that particular strum, which is can be applied to this lesson. It's also going to make it easier for you to just grasp this lesson as well. Okay, so now once, and also after finishing this lesson, make sure that you refer to the blues example tutorials to play along with these techniques that you learned in this lesson. Okay, and I'll talk about that at the ending of the lesson. Okay, I want to talk about two styles of blues strums in this lesson. If you look on the top of your music sheet there in the first example one, they're all downward strokes, so that's pretty easy. All you got to remember that they're all downward strokes and they're pretty easy. Keep in mind that once you learn these two basic blues strum techniques and really understand the concept behind it, I really believe that whatever blues strums you come up in the future, it's not going to be that difficult for you to grasp, understand. The main thing is that you have a strong idea about these two particular strums. Okay, so keep in mind that the count goes like this for the example number one. First example: 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1. So I'm going from the first beat of the first measure to the first beat of the second measure. And the strum looks like this. I'm holding my strings dead. There's no sound. And it looks like this: 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1. Okay. Once again, all downward strums. I'm using the finger brace strum. You do need to refer to that lesson tutorial because that's a really important lesson for applying that particular right hand technique for this particular strumming style, along with various other strumming styles in the chorus. Okay, here we go. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1. Slow it down. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1. Slow it down a little bit more. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1. Okay. Once again, 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1. Okay, now I'm going to use a C7 chord for an example, and I'm just going to play this strum for several bars. Okay, just so you can get the idea. Here we go. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1. Okay, now we're going to play it together. I'll take it a little bit slower. I'll give a 4 count, then let's play it together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1. Okay? So go ahead and give that a try a couple of times, get a little comfortable with that, and then we'll move on to the second example, blues strum, which is basically up and down. Now, in this second example, it's basically the same thing. All you got to remember is that there's an up strum, or actually it's an up and down strum, but the up strum comes on the ah. Okay, comes on the and you can see how it kind of relates if you look at the previous strum on your paper, how they line up. So once again, the numbers are your downward strum, and the letter A, the ah, is the upward strum, and it basically looks like this: 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, 2, a 3, a 4, a 1. Okay, so in other words, I'm going down and up constantly, but the accent of the strum falls on the 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1. Once again, 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1. Okay. Now I'm going to use a G7 chord. Okay, and we're going to do it together. Oh, actually, let me do it for you. Just a few bars. Okay, so it goes like this: 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1. Okay, so let's take it a little bit slower. I'll give a 4 count. I'm holding a G7 chord. Diagrams on your paper, and then we'll do it together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 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 4. A 1. Okay? So give that a try. Those 2 basic blues strums. And once again, I want to remind you to refer to your blues examples to play along with these 2 strums that you just learned. Play along with those 2 different example tutorials to practice these techniques that you just learned. Okay, so once you feel that you're ready, move on to the next lesson. If not, go ahead and back it up, try it again, and then when you feel like you're ready, we'll see you at the next lesson.